that normally in today's world it is associated with making more and more money means being successful. We want our students to go with the mindset that success is not only about making more money, but success is raising their level of aspiration, thereby they can do something for the society, do something, even if they are professionals, do something for the clients or do something for they are businessmen, for the consumers, to raise their standard of living. Like I gave an example of technology is at their beck and call. So they can make use of that. The government policy is quite conducive nowadays. So they need to excel in all these things. And another thing is the competition is so fierce that unless they are good, they are not going to survive, because they have to now become a global citizens. It's a borderless world today. They have to compete with the entire world. Whoever is best. When we buy the products, we don't see whether it's German or American. Whatever is best, we want to buy.
Our Chief Guest has given a very good message that there is no limit to hard work. So success actually is 99% perspiration, 1% inspiration. So most of our students, like you have seen, most of the, at least from Daji Salkar, whether it is a governor, all these are past students of MES. And most of our students have done very well, especially the science students in America and here and there. And they are doing very well in the various ministries and governments over there. So this is a vibrant platform where our teachers, management, everybody have pulled together all resources to give the best to our students. And that is exactly what we learned from here. I was teaching here for 36 years. Chemistry, then I was a PTA secretary and held so many posts on the council, everything, and Higher Secondary Teachers Association. So all these years we have tried to give the best to our students, and that success of our students, seeing them occupying good positions, gives us that immense satisfaction and goodwill from the parents that we get, because they say that because of the MES teaching and background, that their students have done extremely well.
Present at the MES college, any function, because I studied from this college. In fact, when I studied in this college, every year I used to be either the general secretary or the university representative, which was an elected post. Every year I was something. So I used to love to partake in the extracurricular activities. I learnt my early lesson perhaps in politics from this institution. And having studied from here, and that time it was Bombay University, so it's always a happy occasion. I'm happy that they are doing so well, both academically as well as in other spheres of activity, whether it is getting awards in sports or in academics or in other cultural activities or in events being done inter-collegiate. MES college seems to be always on the top, so I'm happy about it. I also recollect Principal MS Kamath, who always used to be the force behind me, encouraging me, and he is still today installed educationist from Goa. Message to the student is very simple. There is no substitute for hard work. You have to work hard in whatever you do. Whether you pursue your studies to be right on top, whether you're playing a sports, you want to be the topmost. That should be your goal. And once you are dedicated, once you have hard work and focused on to achieve something, you are bound to achieve that and be the topper.